That's why you're still tuned to Ebona, the 103.5 FM, and this is True Report, and it's happening live. Ebona, the 103.5 FM. I am Martin Ifan Shuku, AKZ, Ezanum, but the first. Hello? Hello? Hello, okay. The reason why we must reflect, without poem, as you like your input pausing, is the same reason why we must talk about like the destitute, the people who cannot really make ends meet if they don't come out every day to see what they can do to eat for that day. This is why we have to talk about it, basically. Onye ọbụla nwere ihe o ji atachi mana abịazi ọ dịka some people anọ n'ụsọ na-arụ ọnụ their thing, why some other people cannot really do it. A na-enwe lopsidedness ịba n'ime villages ifu people who not squally na-alụpụ ọrụ, why there are some people who cannot really go to their own place of work. That's the thing. And what this thing is doing to the economy of the Southeast is like it's unbearable, and that it is even eating on the people, like it is getting tougher and harder every day. The inflation that we used to shout about now we're not even interested in the inflation anymore because it is going off the hook. That's the thing, and we have to start addressing it. We'll have to start mending it. According to most of the callers today, they are like giving thumbs up to the governor of Anambra State for making a move to stop this. That move is a move that is looking out for the poor in the society. It is not just, there are people who don't care if it is going on. They are still okay. But there are people who this thing is affecting really. That's why we must talk about it. As our time is winding down, I still like to hear from some people, from different locations, from the ones we've heard from. We would like to hear from you, and the numbers to call once again are 08094441035 or 08096661035. Hello. Hello.
Yeah, good evening.
Good evening. Your name and your location, sir. Okay, right on, sir.
Yes, that's a very wonderful program this evening.
Okay, thank you very much.
I like that.
Thank you. Thank you.
While the program is going on, I'm thinking that something caused this at home.
Yeah.
So during the program, I think I got to know that is what it should be because now you know.
Yeah.
That's no reason why the governor, because the first system government should sit down on the table, talk.
Okay.
This is what we are receiving from our state. May I notice, number more than a thousand Africans. Can you look at it because something is really happening.
Yeah.
On that. People one of them at the wall, who is going to come out?
That's
to come out. Because one of them at the wall, one of them at the wall. Even the workers, the government staff is not even ready to come out.
No, you can't say that. You can't really say that. You are not in their. You are not the one making the decision for them. They are the ones. You can't
The
really
reason
say that
why
they
I'm
can't come out.
saying it, the reason why I'm saying it is because they are scared.
But how do you
Take
know
your
that?
time,
How do you know? Is this a fact now? The fact that they are you sure they are scared? How do you know that?
take your time, you're a journalist.
Yeah,
You're a journalist.
yeah.
So if you take your time and go into the minds of those people, you find someone fear in them.
Okay. Let's listen to other people and see if they concur to what you are saying that men will fear really. Let's hear them too. Thank you very much for your input.
Yeah?
Thank you.